Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to lock a attribute for any object. That means translate, rotate or scale value. You can lock it by Python script in your script editor in Maya. So let's get started. Take a polygon cylinder. Notice on your outliner here is written poly cylinder 1, that means P cylinder 1. Copy this, Control C, copy this name. Now open your script editor, go to Windows, General Editor, here is your script editor, or just click on this icon on your right corner of Maya. This will open your script editor. And on your Python script, here is mail script and this is Python script. Click on Python script and type here import maya.cmds, that means commands as Maya, as command. Enter and again type here command dot set attribute capital A TTR first bracket and give this sign and paste this name, that means P cylinder, and select your cylinder. If you want to hide the scale X or scale Y value, if you want to hide your scale Y value, just type here dot SY, again type here lock equal true, equal space comma keyable equal false, type here false. Close your bracket. Now click on this icon or just select all and press enter. Select all by pressing Control, press enter. See, your scale Y value is locked. It is not showing on your channel box. See, in this process you can hide your translate, rotate, any value or visibility value or attribute, visibility attribute. To clear the concept, I am showing you again. Now I want to log the translate Y value or translate X value. So copy this one. Again press enter, paste, and instead of SY type here TX. T means translate, T stands for translate, X means X-axis, translate X-axis. Again click on this icon. This will hide your translate X attribute. See, on your channel box translate X attribute is not showing. In this process you can also hide the rotate attribute. Copy, paste. For rotate type here R. I want to hide rotate G attribute, type here G. Again click here, execute all. See, rotate G is not showing. In this process you can hide any type of attribute in Maya for your object or any object. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.